everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I'm flipping through a new sticker book from Kellofaplan. Merry Christmas. I know it's July, but we're doing a Christmas release for this month for Christmas in July. I've actually never done a Christmas theme spread in July, but I think I have one planned in my planner for later this month to do at least one Christmas in July spread. So I'm excited to have this book, so I'll be able to do that. But I'm going to flip through this book and start getting into the holiday spirit with this, because I'm ready for the holidays. I'm ready for summer to be over and for it to be like Halloween and then Christmas and all that, because those are my favorites. So I'm excited to do a little Christmas spread right now in summer. So got Merry Christmas. Again, this book is available right now to purchase if you are interested, and I do have my affiliate link down in the description. So let's see what is in here. Ooh, we're starting off with pretty pastels and a pretty pastel Christmas. Cute, the little bows. Okay, next theme, more traditional. Oh, this one's cute, a beachy Christmas. This one's really like summer Christmas with the palm trees and the lights and Santa and his beach wear. Okay, here's the next theme. Merry Bookmas. Cute. With all the books. This one's super adorable. I like the little library card for the gingerbread. Okay, next theme. Santa snacks. So we got a snack page here. All the fun, yummy Christmas snacks. Next one, we got bows. Oh, that's so cute. Got a cookie bow, a light bow, snowman bow, reindeer bows, all the bows. Here's the next theme. This one's like retro, disco, kind of retro vibes here. Cute, cute. Next one. Oh, a cowboy one, that's cute. Howdy Christmas. Ooh, this one's super bright pink. So a pink Christmas, Merry Pinkmas. Santa Babe. And then we have some quotes. Christmas is a day that holds all time together. Christmas is forever, not just for one day. Oh Holy Night. And then you get a color version of the same quotes. There's some more. Oh, I like this. The ones that have like little decor, rocking around the Christmas tree. The light in a child's eye is all that it takes to make Christmas magical. Little Christmas lights on the bottom, cute. Okay, so we got the black one and then the pastel version here. Then we have a Christmas bucket list, so all the different Christmas things you could possibly do, like matching Christmas pajamas, read the Christmas story, ugly Christmas sweater party, decorate for Christmas. Kind of has you covered on all the things on here. So you get the black version and then you get the nice colorful version here. Okay, so that is the book that released today. It's really, really cute. Again, I'm so ready for Christmas and all that stuff, so I'm excited. I think Hallmark's doing like Christmas in July movies, so I'm gonna check that out, put some of that on because it just makes me happy. So right now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a spread featuring one of the themes from this book. Again, if you're interested in purchasing this book, it's currently available on Kellofaplan's website, so definitely check it out. My affiliate link is in the description. But I'm just gonna grab some pages and let me get set up a little bit and do a little plan with me. We got some vertical pages here, or not, sorry, vertical, horizontal pages here. Okay, and I'm just gonna decorate these pages. Now there's one theme that I don't want to use because I want to save it for, I think, the week that I want to do this kind of theme, which is this one. I like this like beachy theme one. So I'm thinking I will do, I kind of like this pastel-y one. This one's cute. Should I just do that one? Actually, I kind of like the book one. The book one, yes, the book one. I like the little building, the bookstore, the fireplace. Yeah, we'll do the book one. Okay, so let me see if I can just, I kind of want to rip this out. Okay, we're going to rip these out just so that way I don't have to flip through the book, because these are the ones I plan on using. And then we got all the functional boxes that I like to use. We have checklists, bullet points, and all the different sizes of boxes. So I'm going to use this double box for the weekend because I feel like for me the weekends are always the busiest, so I like having a lot more space over here for all the plans. And let's put some decorative stickers down. I like this little snow globe with the books on top. I'm gonna put a box here, do the red one. And then I think I want to I'm gonna put the bookstore over here. Oop. I love a little like building. Cute, cute, cute. Bookstore, and then I want to do the gingerbread who's reading a book. Here. And then I have the one that's walking with the books. Put him. Maybe it's a little too much. Actually, I think I want to put a tree. Let me put this tree. Just a little tree. Okay. Let me put down some more boxes. I want to get some pink over here because it's very lacking in pink. We need pink. Okay, I got a pink. I can do... I feel like I should do another box over here. So maybe I'll do this other green color. Kind of split this up a little bit here. And maybe another, I don't want to do another pink one because I want to save that for the other side. And maybe I'll do red. Just put some boxes here. Okay. And then let's see what else I can add. Lots to add. I got stacks of books. I think some, oh, I like this pile of books that has the lights wrapped around it. That's cute. I like the little ticket. There's a lot of things I like from these stickers. So I'm trying to decide which ones I want to add. The sled is cute. Oh my goodness, there's so many cute things. Okay, so I don't want to take up too much room over here. So let's see. Maybe this one. This still gives room here. And then let me do one of these little leaves. Okay, and then I want to do some bullet points coming down over here. And I might grab some washi just to tie in some washi in this one. I think this side looks pretty good. I'm gonna move on to this side. I'm gonna do a double box over here. And then we'll do the pink box over here too. Okay, and then I definitely want to add the fireplace. Do the fireplace up here. This layout's a really nice functional layout. It's lots of room to work with, which I like. Definitely got to get Santa over here on this side, reading his book. Okay, some more boxes. So we got this like brighter green for over here. Let's do a pink. do it here. And then I feel like I need the green, the darker green. Oops. Okay. All right, let's put some more stuff down. Okay, definitely some books. I definitely want to also add this little ticket, so I think this is cute. We'll admit one. Christmas book club. Do that there. And then I'll do a little stack of books, I think here. I really like these. I don't know if this is gonna fit. It's gonna be too much. We shall see. It's kind of a lot. I don't know. It's ripping a little, but that's okay. I'm gonna cover it up with something else, just not as large. Okay, let's do, okay, we'll do this little cup. This cup's cute with all the things hanging out or on top of it. I like making hot cocoa with like all the things, so I can appreciate that little cup of cocoa. I'm gonna do another one over here. We'll do this one. On this side too. Cute, cute. All right, I think I'm gonna stick some books, like little stacks of books in a couple of spots. Oh, and then I still have quotes that I can do. Okay, we'll put some books with Santa. And then maybe this little book with Santa's hat on it. That's cute. Here. Another little leaf thing. Little berries. Do that. Okay, I need bullet points because I did bullet points over here, so I need to do bullet points over here. I'm thinking I need, yeah, the darker green color. Again, over here. Okay. Cool, cool, cool. And then I really want to add this little library card because I think that's cute. I should probably go with this guy. I like really want it on the spread, but it's not working. If I would have put this here, it would have, but okay, never mind. Not working. I'm gonna do another stack of books here. Maybe this one that's like not laying down, but I can do them here. Okay, I think I'm gonna grab some washi. Just put like a few strips of washi down, and I think that looks pretty good. Oh, and then the quotes. I'm gonna add a couple quotes, but I want to put the washi down first. I love these colors. They're so good. Okay, so I'm gonna do just a simple pink scallop washi. It's not the right kind of pink, but it's fine. It's pink. Okay, I need my washi cutter. Okay. All right, so just a little bit here and there I feel will be good. Just in some like emptier looking spots. So I'll do a little here. And top. Although I don't like that it's over the sticker. And then maybe a little bit here. I'll add a couple more here. Okay, and then I'm just gonna add a quote. Oops, messed that up. Yeah, I'll add a quote. At least one quote from this book. I'm only a morning person on Christmas. Okay, I'm looking for something that's pretty slim. So I'll do this, I'll be home for Christmas. Or actually, I'll do Jingle All the Way. It's not too big. Okay, so we're gonna put this one. Oops. Just gonna put it here on this side, and then maybe I'll do one over here. Maybe I'll do that. I'm only a morning person on Christmas. Ooh, so many cute stickers. Okay, I think that looks good. Happy with that. Let me look at it from above. Oh yeah, it's super adorable. Love the colors. All right, so that's gonna be my spread using the new Merry Christmas sticker book from Kellofaplan. Again, if you're wanting a little bit of Christmas spirit a little bit early in the year, definitely check out this book. Excited. I can't wait to see all the Christmas stuff and Halloween stuff that's gonna come out this year. Again, it's my favorite. So I'm excited that we got a little taste of it, to see a little bit of it that's coming hopefully for the rest of the year or later in this year. But yeah, really cute book. I love the variety of the stickers, the different color schemes. It has a good mix in here, which I like. But yeah, that is gonna be it for this. Thank you so much for watching. If you watched to the very end, I really appreciate you doing that. Leave me a Christmas themed emoji, a little Christmas tree, a Santa, whatever you can find in those emojis down in the comments if you're one of those awesome people who watch to the very end, because I really appreciate that. That really helps out my channel a lot. So thank you for doing that. But yeah, that is going to be it. Hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in the next video.